What's going on, Mel Babies? And I'm on my way to Bird Island. Your girl is bad. That is our second stop for the day. We are going Bird Island. Guess what? Your girl is going on a boat. A boat. You see that right there? A boat. Boat. Anyways, we're going on a boat. This is my sister. Yeah. Anyone that know me know I afraid boats and the ocean thing not my thing. You understand? I'm a land girl. So guys, we are here. We arrived at, don't ask me where because I don't know where I be, but yeah, this is where we are. I'll film when we go. Have a boat smoking outside. Wait. Have a boat smoking outside there. All the white thing you see, the white thing smoke. I don't want to that, but it might make me change my mind. So yeah.
Go out, no, go out, go out. You know where that? Hey, see you in there. Let's take care of something. They're looking at something now. Don't let me change.
Guys, we are here. Yes, I just come out on the jet ski and see my eyes. But anyways, I just come out on the jet ski and I was driving. I was driving, so it was good. I enjoyed myself. Going to Bird Island. Mel. And this crazy one down here. So we are here. We are here at Bird. I don't see nobody. I mean, come on, I come and see Bird. I don't see no statue. You understand? What's that thing? Did you come there? No. See, that's name.
Boom, bam, bam, bam. Man, this hoi, hi, hi. Ala me tell. Dance and I say dance.
Hey, 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 hey.